Learn how to make money from home. A lot of people who work for themselves are thinking about how to make money from home. But there is one big problem. Not everyone has their own internet connection, and that makes it difficult to make money online. If you have no internet at home, it's even harder to make money from home. But don't give up just yet. There are so many ways you can learn how to make money from home. You can go out and look for jobs like typing at home, working at home doing data entry, or other job opportunities. You can also find a job where you will be selling your own products from a website or selling other people's products through your website. Or you can just start your own small business selling other people's products. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about learn how to make money from home. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The best way to learn how to make money from home is to find something you love to do and see if you can turn it into a money-making opportunity. If not, you can always turn that thing into a business. It doesn't matter what kind of business you want to have. The important thing is that you want to make money from home. There are many ways you can get started with making money. One way is by using your hobbies or favorite pastimes. People who love to cook can make money by cooking up recipes for others to sell on their websites. If you know how to set up a blog, you can make money from it as well. If you're good at photography, you can sell your pictures for websites that host photos. You can also become an affiliate of companies that sell hosting plans and build a website selling them. All you need is a little computer knowledge, a camera, and an internet connection. Another great way to make money from home is by starting your own business. This is a great way to earn extra money while learning how to make money from home. All you need is to have the desire to succeed and a good solid plan. Many people start their own businesses with nothing but an idea. They quickly find out that it wasn't all that they thought it would be. If you're still wondering how to make it from home, consider these simple steps. You need to pick something you're good at and a product that you believe in. Then, you have to figure out how you're going to market your product. It's very important that you have a plan. If you don't, it's very likely that you'll fail in your attempt to make a lot of money. Without a clear, concise plan, you won't get very far. One of the best things about the internet is that there are literally thousands, if not millions, of opportunities for people just like you to learn how to make money from home. Just do a search on the internet and you'll find thousands of programs, companies, and products. However, many of them are scams or simply not worth your time. You can avoid them by doing a bit of research into them before you invest any money into them. By following this advice, you will be able to choose the right program and company that will help you become a successful home business owner. There are so many different ways that you can make money from home, but you have to choose one method or another. There are some programs where you earn commissions on sales, others don't offer anything at all. You have to determine which ones offer the most value for their prices and which ones have a solid track record of making money for other people. It's important to find a way that fits your interests and talents. Once you have found a product or company that seems to have potential, you must then learn how to promote it. This is actually where the real money is at. Learning the techniques and strategies that successful sellers use to attract buyers and turn them into paying customers is key to making money from home. Not everyone is cut out to becoming an internet marketer, so don't think that you're destined to fail if you don't have the right skills and training. You can learn how to make money from home, but it will take time and effort. One of the most popular ways to make money from home these days involves becoming an online affiliate marketer. This means that you sell other people's products for a commission, and you get a portion of the proceeds from every sale. It's not as difficult as it sounds, and once you're able to get the hang of promoting the products, you'll be making money from home in no time. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing. Success is bound to make an impact in your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.